Hi, good morning, everyone. So Nifty has now started closing below previous day's low. So that's for first chance of it going bearish. Like there are some signs of market going down. But as long as this low over here, wait, I'll make a line over there. As long as that line is protected, the low over here, we can expect Nifty to bounce back to the upper trend line of the channel. So this comes around 17,450 odd levels, 440, 400. Yeah, exactly 434 is the level. So this level, as long as that level is protected, so let's round it up to 17,400. So as long as 17,400 is protected, we have good chances of a bounce back to 18,000 levels. Or now let's understand time zone idea. So markets are going up from here. We are now at the midpoint. So generally after the midpoint, like that will be around 18th of April, 19th of April, we, the the price would correct to hit this time zone before it starts going up. So that is how these time zones work. So there are good chances in the second half we may see the correction of this time zone. And so for that, even there are good chances before that market does this and then comes to the somewhere over here and then starts correcting into the time zone. So that's a possibility. Otherwise, we can even start moving from here, moving down from here. Also, that is also a possibility. But the more chances, like probability is higher that we may try to give a bounce back and then sell off. But we have to see what market wants to do and work as per levels. So as long 17,400 is protected, we can expect there are good chances of bounce back in coming days. Now coming back to the intraday charts, for today what we can do is, so in intraday we are at in 5 chart we are at time zone, so there could be a little bounce over here. And once we remove this high, that is 17,670 odd level, we can see some up move towards these higher levels of 17,730 and 17,775. So that could be the view if we open flat. If we open gap up and if we remove the first 15 minutes high or 1 hour high also, we may try to hit 17,900 also on the upside. Similarly, on the downside, if the low, yesterday's low, that is 17,620 odd levels, if that is removed, we may head towards the lower target of 17,500 on Nifty. And if you open gap down, then again wait for 15 minutes. If the low is broken, trade for the target of 17,500 on the lower side. Just go to a lower time frame. I mean higher time frame. This is so this if this low is removed, these are support 17,540 and then 17,450. So that is where market can go if we start going drifting lower. So 17,540 and 17,450 would be the targets on the lower side. So yeah, let's just watch some. I have come across this stock yesterday, Godrej Consumer Products. I'm overall a little bullish on the FMCG sector, and this stock over here on daily chart has given a good double bottom pattern. So if we see over here, this is the pattern over here, the double bottom. So this bottom over here, then a rise, then again a bottom. The second bottom is higher than the first bottom, so that's a good signs. And under that, the breakout also the volumes are huge. We also moved above the breakout swing high. The breakout had happened earlier only. Then we retested the support area, and now we again moved higher. So now Godrej is looking good for a target of, you can say, around 60 rupees. So that would be around 700 and, sorry, wait, 810. So 810 can be a good target for the pattern, and it can go higher also till 850 odd levels, 840, 850 levels. The swing low over here, the one which came to retest the support line, that was around 748. That becomes your stop loss. So yesterday's close was 781. Your stop loss is 748. So if you get any intraday dip, it will be better to buy with a stop loss of 748, expecting 810 and 840 as a higher targets. So that's my view on Godrej Consumer Products. Hope you have a good trading day and keep forwarding, keep liking our posts. Thank you.